Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I have a few different 2024 Toyota Tundras I want to show you. Obviously we've got a black one right here, a white one, and an army green one over there I'm going to show you here in a second. So obviously each of these are pretty done up. The question is, do they have $25,000 or $20,000 worth of modifications on them to warrant the price? So here, 2024 Toyota Tundra. This is not the IForce Max. So it is just sporting the quote-unquote standard iForce with the twin turbo V6 here. So heritage front grille, some fuel wheels wrapped in some Nitto Ridge Grapplers, which looks pretty good. These are some 285 55 by 22s. I don't know. They're definitely they're a bit gaudy, but they're pretty unique. I can't say I've actually seen these before on a truck, so I appreciate the uniqueness nonetheless. Obviously a lift kit involved here, and I'll show you the sheet of paper here that really highlights the specs and modifications. Heritage front grille with blacked out Toyota script. They call it the I-25 package. Give you an idea what that stance looks like. So there you have it, $25,000 worth of modifications on that bad Johnny. Walk around the side. Let's look at this other one here. I like the look of this one better. I prefer the white. But this one too has quite the upcharge on it. But it is the manager special. Look at that stance. So protruding mount, maybe 2 or 3 inches here. Let's look at this one here. So not a whole lot added for $18,000 upcharge. So the limited TRD off-road package here. Again, not sporting the hybrid IForce Max. It does look good. But certainly overpriced in today's market, unfortunately. Let's check out the wheels. Some more fuel wheels wrapped in some BFGoodrich KO2s. The KO2s are 285 65 R20s, so 20-inch wheels there. Yeah, let's look at the last one over here. We got an army green, which looks pretty sleek. I think I prefer the white one. Got some tow mirrors on it, and some more fuel wheels. Sensing a theme. Another manager special here. Idea of that stance on the side. And a look over here. So 285 65 R20s over here as well. That TRD lift kit, the TRD upper control arms. Here's your window sticker on this one. So just under 70,000 here. And again, not sporting the iForce Max. You get the iForce twin turbo V6 here. But I am told that this actually feels that, you know, the power delivery in this non-iForce Max is pretty good. It actually feels pretty linear by the sounds of it. A lot of people actually like that. So yeah, got TRD catback exhaust, little kick out here. Yeah, which one are you choosing between the three? The army green here, or the white or black? You wanna know which one I'm choosing? It's over here. This guy right here, a 200 series Land Cruiser. That's the one you want out of the group. Appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.